What's up, my Punginos? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys another episode finally. Jeez, it's been so long. This is going to be episode 6, part 2 of landscaping. Hope you enjoy. This is my home. Welcome. Come on in. Okay, guys. So it's very unorthodox of me to do this like in the middle of my project. I usually film like at the very beginning with an intro and then the end, and I totally forgot to. But we've gotten a good portion of this area up. This used to be wood chips and weeds, and I cleaned it all up. We did a one load of this, and the plan is to clean it all up, to rough it all out, get all this trim out, and then put seed. And so that's our plan. This is landscaping 2019 at its best. The Paul's family. Here we go. Okay, so we've pretty much tilled all of the soil. I'm gonna go ahead and add a food enrichener, like grass food thingy. And then I'm going to flatten it all out with some sort of a hoe. And maybe before I flatten it out, maybe I'll throw the seed in there, and then we'll till it, and not till it, but flatten it out and whatnot. And then we'll go from there. It's about to rain. I can see the clouds come. So let's see if I can get it done before it starts. Okay, there it is. It's about to rain. This is what it looks like now. Last part is going to use these bits of grass to fill in some holes over there. All right, I'm gonna have to clean this all up. Right, so I moved those ties right there. I propped this up so it'll get some good anglage to spit the water out. And then this is the final product. We got rid of all that crap. You can still see a lot of wood chips, but eventually they'll come up to the top. As the grass grows, I can pick them out. And it just looks way better. We got a lot more square footage in the backyard. Thanks so much, guys. Tono, Nick, Theodore, thank you so much for your help. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Making this house look fun, look great, and look better. And hopefully by the end of the summer, it'll look better, and I'll give you an update at that time. With that being said, I think I'm going to cue one last hyperlapse. I went in and trimmed my hedge, and it looks kind of good. So I'll just speed that up, put some music to it, and let you go from here. Thanks guys for watching. If you like, subscribe if you want to see more. Andy Vlogs signing out. Update here. We're about 2 weeks in, and it's growing faster than I imagined. Back here, we've got little tiny grass sprouts. Look at those little guys. Woohoo! They're growing so big. Oh, I'm so proud. I'm so proud.